Hello TikTok users! If you've decided to part ways with TikTok, we'll guide you through the simple process of permanently deleting your account. Just follow the steps, and your account will be gone for good. Before we begin, remember that this action is irreversible, so be sure about your decision. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Once you're on the TikTok home screen, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see a 3-line icon, Hamburger Menu. Tap on it to access additional options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy to proceed. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Account to open the account page. Within the account page, you'll find Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on it to proceed. If you want to temporarily deactivate your account, tap on Deactivate Account. Read the information about what happens when you deactivate your account. If you agree, click on Deactivate. Next, enter your password, and tap Deactivate Account to temporarily deactivate your account. Now, let's go back to the Deactivate or Delete Account page. If you want to delete your account permanently, tap on Delete Account Permanently. Choose a reason for deleting your account and click Continue. If you wish to request and download your account data, click on Review Request. This data includes your profile, activity, and app settings on TikTok, and it can be downloaded in TXT or JSON format. At the Download TikTok Data page, switch to the Request Data tab. Here, you can select your preferred download format, TXT or JSON, and click on Request Data. It will take a while for your data to be processed and ready for download. Once your data is ready for download, switch to the Download Data tab to access the requested data. Click on the download link to save the file to your device. After successfully downloading your data, return to the previous page and tick the box stating that you've reviewed your data request and want to continue deleting your account. Then, click on Continue to proceed with the account deletion process. Read the information about what happens when you delete your account. If you agree, click on Continue. Type your password to confirm the deletion, and then click on Delete Account to permanently delete your TikTok account. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted your TikTok account. Remember, once deleted, your account and all its content are gone forever. If you have any second thoughts, you have a 30-day period to reactivate your account. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Take care, and see you next time.